Hello friends, in this video we're going to go a little deeper into Abraham Hicks 17 minutes manifestation technique and what is it about. Let's jump right in. You know who's Abraham Hicks is. If you don't know, she's channeled by Esther Hicks, talks a lot about manifestation, law of attraction. Now Abraham talks about this many times, but the key thing about the practice called 17 seconds thought practice. What this means is you stay in a higher vibration thought, you stay in a desired thought, you stay in a visualization, happy thought of your desire. Could be whatever it is, could be a job, could be health, could be money, could be a relationship, and you hold on. You visualize the end goal and you raise your happy vibration as though that is a reality. You stay in that thought. You allow that happy, positive thoughts come in. If you stay in the thought for about 17 seconds, the point is that I'm going to play the real audio here. Just hang on a second. And you are building momentum. The energy is thoughts are energy, right? You're raising your vibration. You continue to build your momentum energy over every second, every 5-10 seconds. When it gets to a threshold of about 17 seconds, I don't know the magic numbers beyond me, but I trust Abraham. 17 seconds, you cross a little bit of threshold where it's starting to impact your reality. That means that when you cross a threshold of 17 seconds of staying in that positive, happy vibration, visualization, good feelings, and happy mode, and if you stay on that, don't give any resistance, don't negate it, don't doubt it, don't be in a fear. The 17 second has to be a pure happy thought vibration of you, either just a happy vibration, happy thoughts, or your desired for 17 seconds, or basically you stay in that positive mode for 17 seconds. And without any resistance, without any negativity, without any vibration, negative vibration, then the law of attraction kicks in with that threshold going further. Let's listen to what Abraham talks about this here.
You find a thought and you hold that thought purely for as little as 17 seconds. Now, there's a lot of power in the word pure because pure means a not contradicted thought. When you find a thought of something wanted and you hold that purely by imagining it, pretending it, remembering something like it, musing it, when you hold that thought for as little as 17 seconds, another thought of the same vibrational equivalent, because of law of attraction, joins it. And when those two thoughts come together, there is an explosion of energy. The big bang that you talk about is about that. This you could call a little bang. In other words, when two thoughts come together in the first 17 seconds. Now you've got a bigger, faster moving, more penetrating, more powerful thought. In other words, more non-physical energy is now making its way toward that thought. Now, if you take that thought and you ponder it further and you imagine it further and you play with it further, you milk it further for good feelings. Now what happens when you cross the next 17-second mark is another explosion, only this thought is more powerful. So in order to give you an idea of the power of the thought, we would say to you that when that first 17 seconds joins, that there is an energy expansion that is equivalent to about 2,000 action hours. That's huge. When you cross the next 17-second mark, the expression of energy is 10 times the first. 20,000 action hours just by walking across that next mark.
Okay, you get the idea. In summary, stay in a pure, happy visualization or thought process for 17 seconds. You will cross a threshold. You will start making an impact in reality. And you can continue. Go to the next 17 seconds. It not just doubles. Abraham talks about 10 times. So you exponentially increase the power. If you longer you stay in that higher vibration, happy thought, key is without giving any negative vibration, without giving any resistance, without negating it, without fear, doubt, worry in between. You stay in a pure thought. It's almost like if you introduce a fear, worry, oh, it's going to happen or not. Maybe I'm worried, I'm not sure. Then you're taking a step back. It's no longer pure. It's almost like you're taking 3 steps back and a 2 or 3 step forward and a 1 step back type of thing. So, and let me pause right there in this video because I will continue talking about what do you do. Another extension to that is a 68-second or 1.5 minute mark level. It's another discussion. I'll extend this in another video. In summary, please, I try to do this daily, and you can do it, in fact, I try to do it multiple times a day. You should do the same thing, do multiple times a day, morning, afternoon, evening. Sit in a quiet place, take a deep breath, preferably fresh air, outdoors or indoor, fine as well, without disturbances. And you close your eyes and you have a happy thought. You close your eyes, you visualize your end goal or destination, your intention, your focus. Stay in the happy, absolutely non-resistance mode for 17 seconds. You will see an impact, or you will give an impact. The momentum of law of attraction kicks in. And then you continue maybe another 17 seconds. It's going to go 10 times more. Remember, she said that 17 seconds is equivalent to 2,000 action hours. That's phenomenal. It's almost like, hard to believe, almost like it's equivalent to you working 2,000 hours, doing something, working hard at it. That thought is so powerful. It's hard for us to humans to comprehend that. How can a 17-second thoughts can be so powerful? But it is. We take her in our on the word directly, and we don't know how this reality 100% perfectly works. The law of attraction, the impact of reality connection, but that is what I believe. That's what she says as well. Hope you like this message. There's a continuation of this in a future video very soon. I'll release next week talking about the 68-second rule. Hang in for that one. I will discuss that with you next. And hope you liked it. If you do, please like, subscribe, and share this video. And I will see you in another one, or maybe in the next week, the 68-second of law of attraction rule. I will see you then. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, and share this. Thank you.